Hey guys, what's up? It's Griff with Action Automotive. And look, right about now, you're going to be seeing the shop the way you see most automotive repair shops. Right now, let's go ahead and show you what most shops don't give you the opportunity to see. It's where the magic happens. Welcome to the shop here at Action Automotive. Look, this is where we diagnose and repair your vehicle. Because we don't just guess, we test. And look, it's not as simple as the misconception or misnomer of all you have to do is grab your computer, hook it up, and it'll tell you the problem. I wish it was that easy, but it's not. And you know what? If it was, there'd be a lot more technicians doing this. But the sad truth is, there's a shortage of technicians. And there's a real shortage of good technicians. That's what's different here. Because you know what? We're not just hiding in the back. If you have a question, you can talk to the technician, trust the repairs you're paying for. That's how we're destroying your automotive repair fears. You know what's great? Is that through the whole process, Casey's gonna keep you updated. I guarantee she is the nicest service writer you're ever gonna talk to. Don't believe me? Let's go talk to her. I'm showing you guys where the diagnostic part happens. But we both know when you do come here the first time, the times after that, when you come through these doors, you're gonna meet Casey. She is the nicest service writer in the industry. I guarantee it. Meet Casey. Hey, Case.
Hi, I'm Casey. Give us a call. We want to make you feel welcome and figure out your problems. 719-633-0008. I'll talk to you soon.